Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you the must-do deals for Walgreens next week. Check your accounts. There are some boosters flying around. There are some spend 20, get 5,000 point boosters. I've heard spend 15, get 5,000 points. I also posted on the community tab that I found a spend 25, get 7,000 point beauty booster. So there may be a beauty event going on next week. It'll be from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Those are the dates listed on that digital booster. So definitely check your account. This is what my booster looks like. See if you have it. Not all accounts will get it, unfortunately, so drop a comment. Let me know if you got the beauty booster or any booster that you guys got. Let me know in the comments. See what different ones are floating around, and I can't wait. Hopefully, most of you guys got at least some kind of booster so you can get as many points back as possible. So I have quite a few great deals going on. A free way to get some Revlon, some free toothpaste. I do have two different scenarios as well at the end for that spend 25, get 5,000 point deal. So that one's not a booster. That is a deal going on at Walgreens next week. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Anytime I post new deals or videos, you guys will be notified. I am also going to be doing the largest giveaway that I have once I hit 10,000 subscribers. So share the channel with your friends, your family, and give away some amazing, amazing things. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. With Mother's Day right around the corner, it is on May 10th. So not this Sunday, but next Sunday. You want to make sure that you don't procrastinate too much and you can get some good gifts. I will have another video posted later today for some online deals that you can do, that you can ship them right to her house. So stay tuned on my channel. I will have that posted later today. So Russel Stovers, the best place to buy them is going to be at Walgreens. CVS is buy one, get one free, but online I was showing their $9.99. So final cost for CVS would be $5 each. And at Russel Stovers at Walgreens, you can get them for just $1.99 each. So the deal is buy two, get a $5 register reward. So what you would do is pick up any two of the Russel Stovers. They have to be at least the 4-ounce box because we have a $1 off two coupon from the 426 inserts. You'll pay $8.98, get back the $5 register reward. So final cost is $3.98 for both or $1.99 each, which is a great, great deal. Revlon, here's one example of a nice freebie that you guys can grab. The digital coupons do expire on Saturday, which is kind of weird. So you would have to be using the paper coupons that we got from the 426 Smart Source. If you are wanting to do these deals, if there is a beauty event next week, part of that beauty booster, then I would definitely order these coupons online now. So that way they should be able to get to you by next Thursday. I usually get mine from thecouponmarketplace.com. They have been delayed. Usually I get them in 2 days. It's been taking like 5 or 6 days. So that's why you'll definitely want to purchase those like as soon as possible. So one scenario is you can get the Candid Concealer for $10.99. Use the $3 face coupon from the 426 Smart Source. You'll pay $7.99, get back an $8 register reward, so final cost is absolutely free. The next deal is on Arm & Hammer laundry, so you can get the liquid or the packs. They are going to be on sale for $2.99. We are getting a $1 digital coupon, so final cost is just $1.99. CVS has the exact same deal, exact same sale, and they have a $1 digital as well. So if you want to stock up and you don't have any paper coupons, if you're not planning on getting a newspaper, you can always grab one from CVS and one from Walgreens. So that could be a good way to stock up on some laundry detergent. Here is a nice freebie for everyone. It is on the Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $2.99. And when you buy two, you're going to get 4,000 points back. So what you can do is pick up two of the Optic White It says select varieties. I'm sure a couple different other types of Colgate will be on sale as well. Just pick any two that are going to be $2.99. If they're not tagged in your store, I know a lot of you have been commenting that your stores don't really tag the products too well. You can always scan it on the app, and that way it'll tell you the price point. If it comes up for $2.99, it's probably included in this deal. Then you'll use $2 off coupons from the 426 Smart Source. You'll pay $3.98, get back 4,000 points, so final cost completely free. Ajax, another good deal here. This is the large 28-ounce bottle. It is $1.99. There's a 50-cent digital coupon. Final cost is going to be just $1.49. We are also getting some 50-cent coupons in our Sunday paper. So typically the dish soaps sell out pretty quickly. So I would try to do this deal like Sunday or Monday if you're wanting to take advantage of it. Dial Body Wash is going to be on sale for $3.49. There's a $1 digital coupon. Final cost is just $2.49. Tons of great deals that you can do with digital coupons. So that is one thing I like about Walgreens. Of course, whether the digital coupons are going to come off at checkout is another story. And I wanted to share with you some different food deals. So these are two different scenarios for you for under $10. The first scenario, you can pick up one of the Rice Krispie treats for $1.99. It's the pack. One of the nice peanuts. They're $1.99, two of the Nutri-Grain packs for $5, and one Starkist tuna for 99 cents. So you'll be getting 5 items for $9.97. The next scenario I have for you, you can pick up one of the Aunt Jemima pancakes and the Aunt Jemima syrup. Those are on sale 2 for $4. One Kellogg cereal, they're $1.99. There is a 50-cent digital, makes it just $1.49. Wheat Thins are going to be $2.99. You could switch it out for Chips Ahoy as well if you'd like. And then again, one of the cans of Starkist tuna. Total for these are going to be $9.48. So those are some good deals. There's also Aquafina 24-pack of water on sale next week for $3.99. So if you need to stock up on any water, you can do that as well. Okay, now it is time for the two scenarios I have for this spend 25, get 5,000 points deal. Now it is a spend deal, so you can lower your cost with register rewards. Do not pay with points. So this deal includes the Pampers diapers on sale 2 for $18. Then you would get one Tide liquid, or you can get, not Tide, I'm sorry. One Gain liquid, you can get the Gain flings if you want that instead, and one Gain fireworks, or you can get the dryer sheets. Those are all $4.99 each. Total is $27.98. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 Pampers digital coupon. It was still available this morning, so make sure you clip that just in case we don't know when it's going to disappear. One of the $1 off 1 coupons for the Gain liquid from the 4-5 Retail Me Not, and $1 off Gain fireworks. You'll pay $22.98, get back 5,000 points. So final cost will be $4.49 each. So that is definitely a great price point when it comes to the Pampers. If you have a spend 20, get 5,000 points digital booster, definitely combine that with this deal. You'll be spending over the $20 limit. Then you would get back 10,000 points, which would be even more amazing. And here is the second scenario. If you're not needing to pick up Pampers diapers, I wanted to do a separate scenario for you. So you can grab 2 of the Head & Shoulders for $12, 2 of the Herbal Essences Bio Renew on sale 2 for $10, and then one of any of those Gain products. I just picked the Gain liquid at $4.99. Total for all these products is $26.99. Now, the digitals we're going to use a 3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders, 3 off of 2 Herbal Essences. If those expire, we do have them in the PG insert from 426, so you can always use those as well. And then this $1 Gain coupon from the 4-5 Retail Me Not. You'll pay $19.99, get back the 5,000 points. Again, you can use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. If you're doing this exact deal, you can use up to 2 register rewards. If you're using any more than 2, then you will have to get 1 filler item per additional register reward that you're trying to use. So without any register rewards, you're paying $19.99 out of pocket cash. You're getting back 5,000 points. So final cost is $14.99 for 5 items or $2.99 each. So not a bad deal. CVS next week, you can get the same hair cares for like completely free. There's a ton of hair care going on. L'Oreal, Garnier Whole Blends. Part of a spend 30, get $10 instant coupon. If you haven't checked out my CVS Must Do Deals video, definitely check it out. Great deals going on for hair care. If these are the types of hair care you like instead, you can definitely, of course, do it at Walgreens, especially if you have any digital or paper spend boosters. So that is the end of the Must Do Deals video. I'm trying to just double check if we are having a beauty event. When I called and asked customer service, they said that we're not having a beauty event, but then I got that digital booster, so I'm not sure, but I will post a scenario for the beauty event if we are having one. I'm still just trying to confirm that. Let me know in the comments if you've heard anything as well, trying to get to the bottom of it so that I can keep you guys aware and give you guys the info. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time.